See if we can slide this right foot further back. See if we can snuggle the knees on top of each other, coming to a much more full version of the shoelace. Now again, check how the knees feel. If the bottom knee is not liking this, straighten the bottom leg. It'll give you a bonus stretch for the hamstring. If the top knee doesn't like this, then slide the foot a bit more forward or put some support or blocks between both legs. The track 3 students are more flexible, can push the hands down, lift up, and try to get the knees more on top of each other. Now, since we're on our left buttock, we're going to bring the left hand to the side, turn the palm backwards. If you can, even try to rotate the palm up towards the ceiling. Extend the arm behind the back. Slide that hand up between the shoulder blades. Now we're going to let the right fingers do the walking here. So the right fingers walk to the right. Track 1, you can stay here with the arm blocked straight. And we drop the right ear to the right shoulder. So again, we're trying to feel a nice stress along the whole left side body here. Track 2 students can rest their elbow onto blocks or a bolster. And that allows you to relax here. Track 3 students may bring the elbow right to the floor. But it doesn't matter how low you go. Again, as long as you're feeling it on the left side of the body, you're doing the pose. You're obtaining the stress in the targeted area. So you can just hang out here and let time do the magic. Now, as we hold here for time, you might notice a softening, a loosening on the whole left side of the body. If that happens, you can slide a little bit more to the right. But again, never forcing, simply allowing the pose to do the work. So in Yin Yoga, we don't use the body to get into a pose. That would be aesthetic. We don't use the body to get into the pose. We use the pose to get into the body. That's more functional. Using the pose to create a sensation in the targeted area. According to the Taoist, if you're feeling this along the side body, you may be stimulating the flow of qi through the gallbladder meridian. We have 2 of these meridians, one in each side of the body. And from the side of the face, down the side of the neck, the sides of the rib cage, along the outside of the hip, down the outside of the leg, that's all gallbladder meridian. Couple more breaths here. And to come up first, push the right hand down, release the left hand. The left hand pulls you up,